paint is kind of a nemesis.
Yeah, but remember something. What color paint? Blue paint.
Yeah. Set it up.
I'd have thought of it using a laser to...
Here, let's get our shaft.
See the difference in the color of the paint?
Yeah, buddy.
Watch. That's nothing.
Yeah.
Hot?
No. That's crazy, isn't it?
Yeah, that's good. I want to flip it again. We'll get inside the thing.
Okay.
Definitely don't want to breathe that shit.
No. There ain't much going on. Clean them threads up.